Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your pit stop for all things vintage, fast, and iconic. Today, we're rewinding the clock to 1957, a golden year in automotive history, to explore one of the most beloved and recognizable cars of all time, the Volkswagen Beetle. The iconic design. The 1957 Beetle transportation. This year also marked the last appearance of the small oval rear window before the transition to the larger rear window in 1958. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or rather, in the back, the 57 Beetle came with a 1.2-liter, air-cooled flat-4 engine producing around 36 horsepower. It wasn't built for speed, but that wasn't the point. The Beetle was about efficiency, reliability, and character. With its lightweight body and robust mechanics, it became a global symbol of economical driving. Simplicity inside. The charm was in its honesty. No distractions, just you, the road, and the hum of that air-cooled engine. Cultural impact. The Beetle became more than a car, it was a cultural movement. In the 50s, it was practical. In the 60s, it became a symbol of peace and counterculture. The 1957 model sits right at that turning point, a mix of German engineering and growing international love. Outro. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is a reminder that sometimes, simplicity and soul matter more than speed and flash. It's a car that earned love not just for how it drove, but for what it represented. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Fusion, and drop a comment telling us your favorite vintage ride. Until next time, keep riding with soul.